At the Grand Canyon. First stop is going to be the Watchtower. So get that up over there. You know, weird thing is I don't really feel odd talking to myself here because I'm about the only person here that actually speaks English. I had that same feeling when I went to Niagara Falls. It's the same way. Hardly anybody there spoke English. But we're going to head over that way. And the reason I'm saying that, it's not a bad thing. It's just that we Americans that live in this country, man, we need to experience this stuff. We need to experience our own national treasures. Get out and see these things. People from other countries, they come over here, they enjoy this stuff more than the people that live here. Okay, enough of my commentary. Let's head over that way. See, when you come here is a watchtower. The interesting thing about this is kind of what I would call a fake ruin. I think maybe it was built in the 30s, but it was built to represent the original architecture and the stuff that was used around here. But don't come out here thinking this is something that was originally here, because it wasn't.
Yeah, no, felt more.
I feel like I'm going the wrong way. Oh, not a place to be claustrophobic. So there are some narrow stairs. Oh, wow, look at that. So we're inside the Watchtower. I'm just kind of speechless right now. I do want to go outside, get a better look at this, so I'm not looking through the glass. But this is pretty cool inside of here. Let's go up these steps. God, more narrow steps. For some reason, I feel like I'm the only person going up. Ooh, this altitude ain't no joke. One more flight. Oh, I am so wore out. I have no idea how high up I am. I'm gonna check that when I get up to the top. Oh no, more steps. Yeah, this is narrow. One more floor to go. I don't think I did this last time I was here. I am so out of breath. Well, that's why I'm out of breath. I'm at 7,500 feet right now. You see the Colorado River down in there. I'm still in this watchtower. It's one more flight of steps, but they're closed. So I'm gonna head back downstairs and get outside. Very narrow hallway. Got a traffic jam going on. You got people trying to go down that way and people trying to go up that way. I want to go down that way.
Okay, let's go out of the Capitol building. Give me your hand.
This is a mess. I am going to get down these steps if it's the last thing I do. Yeah, if you're claustrophobic, don't come to the Watchtower. People coming up the wrong side of the steps. People stopping on the steps. I'm getting hot and sweaty. I would just say stay away from the Watchtower. That would be my advice. Well, I have to make it outside because I am getting so sweaty right now. Ah, fresh air.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's a little claustrophobic in there.
I bet.
All right, we paid $40. Let's go see a big hole in the ground. Let's go over this way. 1956 Grand Canyon TWA United Airlines Aviation Accident Site. I can't talk. National Historic Landmark. Pretty cool. Never knew a plane crash out here. Man, I got a lot of editing to do. Okay, there's one thing I've learned about the Grand Canyon. The temperature changes in just a quarter mile are insane. I was down by the edge of the canyon and I was like freezing. By the time I got back and got in my car, and that it's only like a quarter of a mile, I had to take off my hoodie and my other shirt because I did dress in layers. So basically I just get on like my Under Armour shirt, and with the sun shining right here, I am burning up. So if you come here this time of year, dress in layers. I can't say that enough. From here to the edge, it's just the temperature change is dramatic. So I'm gonna go drive to another area here in the canyon and enjoy some more of the views. Seriously, I am less than a quarter mile from where I was, freezing my ass off, and I had to strip down because it's warmer here. It's crazy, total craziness. But that's my view right now. Oh, I don't know if I want to. I guess I should turn the camera around. All right, let's do this properly. This is my view right now. I want to walk out there a little bit closer to the edge. I don't know if I want to jump that far. I'll probably be smart and walk down this way some. Be really bad to break your ankle here. This looks a little bit lower. All right, let's get out here by the edge. That's one of the beautiful things about the Grand Canyon is you can go right out to the edge. You know, there's no rails here. Yeah, look at this. Here's the edge right there. There's my foot. There's the edge. I mean, when you look at that, I mean, if you fall from here to there, even if you don't die, you're going to break a lot of bones. It's amazing. More people don't die out here every year. There's another example. There's the top of the tree, and there's the edge, right there. There's where I was. There's the Watchtower. Zoom in on that. Yeah, so just right there, I was freezing my ass off. Right there. And this right here, it's so much warmer and it feels so much better. But I haven't made it to the visitor center yet. I'm gonna hop back on the road and head down that way. Who knows, it might be 80 or it might be 20 when I get there. Just walking through some of these trails is kind of cool. Hopefully it's too cold for rattlesnakes and scorpions, because they do live out here. That's just it, man. You just walk around the corner and that's what you see. Let's get a little bit closer to the edge. I should have brought my scarf to take a picture. Yeah, another edge right there. Loose rocks. Whoa. You can see the river down there, running through the middle of the canyon. That little part right there is cool. Almost looks like a castle wall to me. But I have a pretty active imagination. So it would be cool to really watch the sunset over the Grand Canyon. I've seen that before, but it's something I think I might want to see again. Probably got a couple hours. So let's drive down to the visitor center.